Royal Stag Barrel Select Large Short Films is the platform bringing original and powerful voices and new narratives to the center stage of Indian cinema.
People who have conflicts, who have dimensions, who have trajectories of where they've come from, and that makes them far more interesting to play.
India's new and emerging cinemas are in safe hands, all thanks to Royal Stag Barrel Select Large Short Films.
The whole revolutionary concept of it is to change this idea that big screen films are bigger than small screen films which are smaller. They want to give you top entertainment with a lot of money put into it.
जैसे बहुत सारे लोगों को तो we want to tell the different story, but मेरा है I want to explore different minds actually.
Every day you hear a story, every day you hear a role, which is so diverse from the other one that you heard. That's amazing.
Short films have giant hearts. At Royal Stag Barrel Select Large Short Films, we get it.
Welcome to an evening that promises to both enchant and inform. An evening of reaching out and uniting in a time when distance and barriers have become the norm. While barriers may have become necessary for safety due to global developments, today we talk about coming together. Indeed, breaking down barriers in cinema. And joining us in this discussion of film craft and most of all, hope, help me in welcoming the actor whose body of work chronicles the changes in Bollywood of the last 3 decades. The Khan whose charm, dimpled charisma and style makes him so loved. The one and the only Saif Ali Khan.
Thank you.
As incredibly talented as she is eclectic, the consummate cinema artist Divya Datta. Thank you. Versatility की मिसाल, हर किरदार को यादगार बनाने वाला एक अनोखा एक्टर. कभी मंटो तो कभी गायतोंडे. हमारे फेवरेट नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी. The ever graceful, the ever gifted. तारों को ज़मीन पर ले आने वाली टिस्का चोपड़ा. Thank you so much for joining us in this conversation about, but not exclusively limited to, the merging lanes of art and commerce in cinema. So, Nawaz, I'm going to begin with you. क्या आपके हिसाब से हमें आर्ट हाउस सिनेमा या पैरेलल सिनेमा के लिए एक अलग जगह बनानी चाहिए so that films like Manto can be made, या फिर ये डिफरेंशिएशन का कोई मतलब नहीं?
डिफ्रेंसिएशन का कोई मतलब नहीं क्योंकि को रिलेटेड हैं एक दूसरे से. अगर वो फिल्में बनेंगी तो इस तरह की भी फिल्में बनेंगी. एक इंडस्ट्री है, ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जिसमें दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा फिल्में बनती हैं. डेफिनेटली बहुत अलग अलग फिल्में भी बनेंगी, हर तरह की फिल्में बनी. और यही ब्यूटी है बॉलीवुड की कि सिनेमा जो बनता है वही प्रोड्यूसर होते हैं जो वो कमर्शियल फिल्म, जो पॉपुलर फिल्म है या जो फार्मूला फिल्म है उनको भी प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. एट द सेम टाइम सेम प्रोड्यूसर इस तरह की फिल्मों को भी, तो एक दूसरे से को रिलेटेड हैं ये.
Tiska, when you started out, was it difficult for actresses who did not fall into a certain mold to be able to find the kind of roles that they wanted to do?
When I started out, there was 3 types of roles. There was the 3 Bs. There was the babe, which was 16 to 25. There was the bhabi, that was 25 to 40. And then anything after 40 was BG. Fortunately, since then, things have moved and characters have now evolved to becoming far more layered and nuanced and lived in, fleshed out. You can feel these as being not generic stereotypes, but people who have conflicts, who have dimensions, who have trajectories of where they've come from. And that makes them far more interesting to play and far more interesting to be. Has change occurred? Yes, it has. Is there enough change? No, not enough. We need to have more living, breathing characters with vulnerabilities and flaws, written with more, I think we need to spend more time writing. And that's where I think our film business is lacking.
Divya, do you think with all of these web platforms coming in, digital media, do you think there are more inclusive and more powerful roles written for women now, in your opinion?
जब हम आए थे सब वो होता क्या था कि भाई हमारे पास हीरो भी है, हीरोइन भी, अभी स्टोरी बताओ. अब वो ऐसा नहीं होता है. अभी स्टोरी है, अभी है बाकायदा हमारे पास कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो चुनते हैं एंड दे आर रेवलेशंस. People are accepting them. People are accepting stars, of course, but they're also accepting these new ones that have just arrived. And so yes, it's a whole lot of change that has happened. And lots of women roles have come by, which I think also a lot of credit goes to the audience because now they want to see stories. Now, the glamour, of course, will always be the second name for cinema, where, I mean, you look up to it, you fantasize about it. That will never go. But what people also want is stories that are relatable. जहाँ वो खुद को रख के कहें कि मेरी कहानी है, वो बड़ा ज़रूरी हो गया है. So, सब अपनी कहानी जानना चाहते हैं. ये कुछ उन्हें unrelatable लगता है तो it just becomes like a fantasy film for them. So now, because it's all relatable, the roles that have come are, as she said, very nicely fleshed out, very real, and they feel ये हमारा है. And that's why everything is not good, everything is not bad. There are beautiful shades that you have. A woman is not just a babe. A woman is not just a bhabhi or a BG. There's lots more that's happening in between, which is so amazing to discover. And I think for me, being here for a good 25 years, this is by far the bestest time for me in my career, where every day you hear a story, every day you hear a role, which is so diverse from the other one that you heard. That's amazing.
I think earlier what would happen was that commercial cinema, if we call it that, was slightly less honest. And like Sajid Ray would always talk about the honesty of the kind of cinema he's making, the world would know India as that kind of country that makes, you know, whether it's the way you look at poverty or the things that we don't like to talk about, frankly. So as the ladies have pointed out, the shades are becoming far more fascinating and it is the best time to be an actor.
दिव्या, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, did you think that Sacred Games would become, you know, the turning point as far as content from India, like a bar was set?
It's a game changer. For
Absolute
sure.
game
We got
changer.
nominated for an Emmy.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
It is very cool.
Wow, man. One thing I was really excited about Sacred Games when we were offered it was that it would be positioned alongside other shows. I like
No
the,
apprehensions that it's going to be a smaller screen.
I don't think that, okay, this is small, that's big. There was a lady movie star who told my manager that, well, is he doing TV now? But it's not TV, and there's nothing wrong with TV. But the idea is, I mean, Netflix, for example, the whole revolutionary concept of it is to change this idea that big screen films are bigger than small screen films, which are smaller. They want to give you top entertainment with a lot of money put into it on that little thing. And they're challenging the fact that why should that not be as good as the big screen thing? So that was the exciting thing to be part of. We have really good DOPs, really good writers. I don't like the idea of production houses sending their B team to make web. You know, we in that show like bought our very best, the best writers, the best DOPs, you know.
Indeed, and it showed.
And that's the way it should be.
नवाज, जब गणेश गायतोंडे का रोल आपकी तरफ आया, तो पहले क्या सोचा आपने इसके बारे में और इस रोल के लिए आपकी प्रिपरेशन किस तरह की थी, क्योंकि आप अनुराग के साथ पहले भी काम कर चुके हैं?
फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग पहले तो मैं करने वाला नहीं था
हाँ,
ये रोल, हाँ, क्योंकि
सैफ ने तो तुरंत हाँ कर दिया और आप करने नहीं वाले थे।
मैं सच बताऊं, मुझे वेब सीरीज का भी आइडिया नहीं था तब तक। मुझे विक्रम ने बहुत 1-1.5 महीने तक कन्विंस किया कि कर लो इसके 190 कंट्री में, जैसे बोला लास्ट में कि 190 कंट्री में जाएगा ये, तब मेरे कान खड़े हुए। अरे
अच्छा, अब करने लायक है।
अब करने लायक है। तो फिर अनुराग ऑन बोर्ड आ गए, तो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि मैंने कहा अभी मैंने गैंगस्टर का कर लिया, गैंग्स ऑफ वासीपुर में, अभी दोबारा क्यों करवा रहे हो मेरे से? कहने नहीं, उससे ऊपर लेके जाएंगे। मैंने कैसे हो सकता है उससे ऊपर लेके जाएंगे? मैंने ठीक है, तो मैंने लेट्स ट्राई, देखते हैं क्या होता है। प्रिपरेशन के नाम पे मैं बताऊं, कुछ प्रिपरेशन नहीं की थी। ऑन द स्पॉट जाके डायलॉग मिल रहे हैं। अब एक पेज पे 5 कैरेक्टर के डायलॉग, सारे 5 एक्टर ऐसे देख रहे हैं, मेरा क्या है ये हो रहा है। तो उसमें क्या प्रिपरेशन कर लेंगे आप?
Okay, we have to talk about Chutney and Churi, yes? But Chutney, would you say, was like a turning point for you in some sense? And when you were making it, did you ever think that short films would become so popular?
Actually not. The history of how that film got done was rather bizarre. It was a very truthful process. And in the process of writing it, when I kept saying, isko chhod dete hain, thoda chhod dete hain. People will understand. You don't have to spoon feed them. So it's a kind of interpretive story. So you leave a bit out and and you place these Easter eggs everywhere, which are there. So the audience starts getting the thrills of actually being part of the storytelling. So they are like, oh, wait, I know what's going to go on. But it's going to... So it was like that. So the whole idea was that it's a kind of a story about somebody who's been given nothing, no privilege in society, then how does she negotiate? What is it that nature has given her to be able to guard her turf? So yeah, it was thrilling, and then the kind of responses we started getting, it was in one day 1 million, then by the next evening it was 2 million, and then 10 million, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Then 50 million. I was like, how many zeros are in 50 million? And then it just exploded. And so we're at 131, and so that was like, it was so gratifying.
That's
I just really
amazing.
enjoyed the,
Congratulations.
thank you, conversations around that, and Royal Stag, they're all the way. They were with me every step.
Wow.
What is your experience with short films, Divya? And do you think short films can help you elevate your craft?
I'll be very honest. When I used to get lots of offers for short films, I used to
So
say...
none?
No, I used to say, "Kaun, I mean, kuch aur, hum feature karte hain." You know, the typical
Yes.
viewpoint that you come with. And then I saw Chutney. And that changed things for me. I was like, yeah, that's nice. And I remember I saw it with Shabana ji and Javed Saab and everyone. We were an entire full group watching Chutney. And it was like, really, this story has been set in just as much. And I think my debut also in short film was with the same director, Jyoti. So yeah, then I did this Plus Minus, which is based on a true story about this Fauji whose spirit is still alive, and he still looks after the borders of Ghost, and he still goes for a chutti. He's been retired properly, and that's been an amazing story.
Do you know he's a ghost all along?
I didn't know that, and you have to watch that one as well.
So nobody, the audience doesn't know initially?
No,
Nice.
and it's like going back.
Nice,
And it's like,
lovely.
hey, wait a minute, what happened?
Yeah.
After that, I'm saying it was like overwhelming. It was like, अरे इतने views and everyone's calling you. It was like, अरे आपकी shot देखी, आपके अच्छा फिल्मों से ज़्यादा आपने shot देखी. Then I did something again with Royal Stag Barrel, 2 films with them. One was Mr. Shawnee and Playboy Mr. Shawnee, and the other one I just did during lockdown, which is called The Relationship Manager, which Neeraj Pandey produced, Friday from Works. And that again is on marital abuse, but of the physical kind.
Your experience of Manto, Thanda Ghost.
Yes, I think I've been very fortunate to do that story. He was something else in that film. And हालांकि हमने बहुत काम किया एक साथ, लेकिन जब मैंने मंटो देखी तो ऐसे ये तो मंटो ही है. ये नवाज लग नहीं, and that's the beauty of a good actor. वो आपका और मेरा perception अलग है. Lekin talking about Thanda Ghost, I think when Nandita called me, she said, I want you to do this story. And this is by far the most controversial story that there is. And I had another very supremely talented actor, Ranveer, with me, Shauri. And he actually pulled me up. He said, तुम कर लोगी? ये बहुत bold है ये story. So I said, of course कर लूँगी. लेकिन वो जो एक रात की हमारी shoot थी, and that is what I'm saying is the excitement and the challenge of doing something that is short. So for me, that story was a short in a way, because so that story was told in just one night. The entire narrative was in that one night. We did and we expressed what we had to in just those few hours. एक तरफ मेरा shot लगे, सारे के सारे हुए, फिर वो लगे. And I think I have been the most satisfied actor playing that role in Thanda Ghost, and the kind of response. And when we went to Cannes, it was like amazing, the response. We got a standing ovation, all of us. And everyone, of course him, but everyone was lauded and said, कि अरे ये role बहुत अच्छा था. So I think every little thing, a literary work, whatever you do, is taken in very well by the audience.
Now, being the father of Taimur, you know very well, he's a very popular guy
Yeah,
on
I've
Instagram.
heard, yes.
You've heard.
Yeah. He's fairly popular at
My
home
first,
as well.
yeah, I would imagine. My first question to you is, how come you're not on social media?
Well, I don't know. I don't like... Initially, it started off by just not wanting to do what everyone else is doing.
Right.
It's just some kind of a childish, rebellious kind of thing. I didn't understand the need for it. And I came from a generation that kind of respected privacy. So I thought, you know, maybe I'm going to take my time about this. I also then found it a little show-offy in terms of, I don't know what I'm supposed to do on it. And I don't
Put
think
out
my
there.
life... Yeah, like, what do I show you? My shoe collection or pictures of, like, what what I'm eating or where I'm living. And I don't know, I just found it a
How
little
do you
odd.
think social media impacts the very concept of celebrity?
I think it probably takes away from the concept of celebrity. I think celebrity is linked to mystery, and I think actors should also be mysterious so that you see someone like, you know, Nawaz, and you're like, I wonder what he's like, and then you watch Manto and you say, okay, he's Manto.
Yes.
And then you see something else, you see Guy Tonde. But if he tells me who he is every day on social media, I'll start saying, no, but he's not like this, he's like this. He actually likes poodles and he does this, and I might get a little distracted. I mean, maybe, is my thinking. I've just never
You're right. No, you're right.
saw the need for it.
It was a time, you know, celebrity was about a wave, a glimpse, and now it's like a blitz.
No, now you wanna
see
go
them.
and- yeah.
You see them coming in and out of airports. You see them in stores. You see them outside their gyms. What is your view on this
Bombardment.
bombardment?
So it's very strange. If your film is coming, I've seen a lot of my actor friends saying, "Hum to hai nahi social media pe." But they go there just to promote that, because now that is the biggest medium for publicity, for marketing strategies. That is the plus point. The minus point, of course, is that your privacy sometimes, when you don't want it, is gone. 2, of course, the trolls. 3, if you putting in your point of view, and I think also this, what Saif just said, that thing of, you know, keeping your own sanity and your own self away from these people, kind of goes for a toss. But yeah, I think you kind of, it's a battle.
What is your opinion?
I think that to have a more nuanced discussion and not include all of social media in one bracket, to separate Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. So Instagram is a world unto itself. It's a completely visual medium, and I enjoy it tremendously because I love taking pictures. I can literally see my life when I look at my phone and I scroll through it. I say, I can see my parents' anniversary, this, the other. So it's like a scroll through life. It's almost like when they say when you die, you have a fast forward of your life. So I just need to do that with my phone, and I can see everything that's gone on. Twitter is something that you have to be very careful on, is my experience, because you have to have an opinion and a strong opinion, and then you have to be prepared to have people have opinions about your opinion, and then other people have opinions about their opinion, about an opinion on your opinion. So it just goes on, it's endless. So Twitter is to be handled with a great deal of care, and Facebook, in my opinion, with even greater care, because it's a family platform. So extended families, my mother-in-law's friends, and then her friends' friends, and then they will say that, usne to khana aise bana diya tha aaj, and you know, I'm like, seriously, like back off from there. So you have to have nuance in your social media sort of idea. So you have to put out selected stuff.
Horses for courses. Something for this, something for that,
something for that.
Balance, key, everything.
In one line, to kind of sum up, what is social media in your life?
Lucrative.
It's lucrative.
Yeah, makes sense.
Circulation, I guess. Yeah.
आपके ऊपर है उस किस तरह से ले रहे हैं आप?
अरे एक word है.
नहीं, एक लाइन भी चल
You
जाए.
say one word.
आपके
We are
ऊपर
being
है.
creative, her and me.
Up to you.
आपके ऊपर डिपेंड. जो आप
Up to
whatever
you.
you
He's
want
saying
to
up to you is that one word.
put. Up to you.
Yeah,
हाँ, up to you. क्या?
Removes the middleman.
This is also such long one words.
3 words.
Direct.
Direct communication.
Straight.
Straight.
Straight. Yeah.
But here's to safer times. Here's to lots more beautiful, creative work coming your way. And here's to all of you continuing to entertain us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So nice
Thank
to
you.
see all of you.
Super
Thank
fun.
you.
Likewise.
With that, ladies and gentlemen, we draw to a close, and what an evening it's been. We spoke of common ground in cinema, even as the world builds barriers. We spoke of technology and its impact on art. But most of all, we spoke of possibilities and hope, the fuel that powers us as artists and as human beings. As always, this evening's insightful discussion was made possible by the brand and platform that has come to be a torchbearer of today's cinema. On behalf of Royal Stag Barrel Select Large Short Films, this is Mandira Bedi signing off.